Hello everyone, welcome back to ramscad YouTube channel. So today we'll learn how to make edge flange in a sheet metal parts. So let's start making the part. We'll choose our plane first. We'll make the sketch of the base of the sheet metal part. So let's suppose the part size is 150 mm by 50 mm. We'll select the thickness as 2 mm and bend reduction as 3.6 mm. So we got the base of the sheet metal part. To make a bend on any of the edge of the part, you will have to select the edge flange. Just select the edge of the part and drag your mouse to the upward direction or downward direction wherever you want the bend. Now just click here. You got the bend. Now it is asking for the data you want to give it. What will be the inner radius of the bend? That depend on the die and punch you are using. Okay, so let's suppose we are making it 1 mm. The bend length will be 20 mm. You can change this according to your need. Bend angle, if you want it 45 degree, you can choose 45. If you want it in the absolute degree, you can make it 135 as the inner 45 degree. Right, let's make it 90. Now you have 4 options here from which place you want your bend to start. If you see from here, right now you have selected this one, so your bend is coming from inside. The radius will come from inside. When you select this one, you start from the thickness, like your sheet thickness will start from here, the edge of the sheet metal part you made. And if you select this one, the bend will start after the sheet metal part, the size, right? So the inner radius will also be in this, right? So now we have allowance, bending allowance, the bend reduction you give. Now relief. This relief we use when we are making multiple bends. Alright, so if we have, suppose, bend here also and here also and here, so you will choose bend relief on the edge. Okay, now we have different type of bend reliefs here, or O-round, rectangle, tier. Let's suppose we choose tier. We make the bend gap as 0.1 mm. Now if you see the bend relief, do you see any difference in this? I'll make it from inside. Right now we have selected tier relief, and this is how it looks when you choose tier relief. So this is how you give bend reduction and bend edge flange. For more, stay tuned.